2025 Holden Commodore HSV GTS stands as a powerful embodiment of Australian performance engineering. From its aggressive exterior design to its thunderous performance, the GTS continues to uphold its legacy as a high-performance sedan that caters to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The exterior is a blend of boldness and sophistication, with sharp lines, an aerodynamic silhouette, and a menacing front grille. LED headlights, a sculpted hood, and large alloy wheels complete the look, giving it an assertive stance on the road. The rear end is equally striking, featuring a functional diffuser and quad exhaust tips that hint at its high-performance capabilities. Step inside, and the cabin offers a driver-focused layout that balances luxury with sportiness. Premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents dominate the interior, providing an upscale feel. The sports seats are heavily bolstered for support during spirited driving, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and paddle shifters enhance the car's racing-inspired theme. A digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen ensure that technology is at your fingertips, offering seamless connectivity and advanced driver assistance features. Under the hood, the HSV GTS is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering breathtaking performance. With outputs exceeding 600 horsepower, the GTS accelerates with authority, accompanied by a spine-tingling exhaust note. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission, with an optional manual gearbox for purists who prefer hands-on control. On the road, the GTS excels with its adaptive suspension system, offering a perfect balance between comfort and cornering prowess. The handling is sharp and precise, making the car feel smaller and more agile than its size suggests. Whether cruising on highways or attacking twisty back roads, the GTS delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The brakes are equally impressive, providing confidence-inspiring stopping power even under hard use. Practicality is not overlooked, as the Commodore HSV GTS offers a spacious cabin and a sizable trunk, making it a viable option for daily driving or weekend getaways. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the car maintains a respectable level of refinement and comfort, ensuring long-distance journeys are enjoyable. Overall, the 2025 Holden Commodore HSV GTS is a testament to the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and design. It's a vehicle that pays homage to its heritage while embracing modern technology, making it a compelling choice for those who demand the best of both worlds.